here on this windy, kind of chilly Sunday morning, just hanging out in my garden. And I wanted to let you guys know that I'm checking on my couple of test plants that I put out yesterday. Well, this is my turnip that I put out here yesterday, and it seemed like it's doing really good. So far, I am putting these out here because I want to see which one can tolerate the weather conditions so I can free up some space in my house, because you know Renee's got so much stuff going on her windowsill and her kitchen tabletop garden that I need to get to moving some of this stuff out. So far the turnip looks really good. Let's check out our B team of our cabbage. So let's check it out. And this is the B team. They seem like they're doing pretty good. You know, they're not all wilted. They still got some life. You know, they're getting tested by the wind, which is good because that'll just make their stem and stuff a whole lot sturdier. So I am very impressed with the conditions and how they're looking. So far so good. And this is like day 2 of the B team being out here and trying to survive and get acclimated to this weather. And I don't know if you guys are like me, but when I bring my tools out and it's at the end of the day and I'm just too pooped, do you guys come out and say, there was that tool or that item I was looking for? Well, look at this. I was looking for these scissors the other night so I could cut open up some dirt, because I did some repotting of some things in my house. And I was like, where are those scissors? So, bam. I guess I found them now, huh? So, let me let you see this collard that I have out here. This is a collard that I overwintered, and look, in the center, look, it's starting to look good and fresh. So I think I'm just gonna leave it in this tire and let it do what it do, because it looks glorious. It looks nice, and even the outer leaves still look good. So I may be snipping some of this off soon to be eating some of this bad boy, because it is telling me, hey Renee, I'm still edible. You can still eat me. And don't tell me that too many times, because trust and believe, I will take advantage of this beautiful little collard right here. So let's go over to my Fuyu persimmon tree, because I need to spray that with some of this neem oil. And look at my tulips in my wheelbarrow. They are coming up strong, and they are going to be looking something good. So let's just take a walk over here, and as you can see, everything is starting to look good. So let's take a walk over here and see. Oh no, I see old Rocky has been over here already messing with my bulbs, and I just planted these yesterday. Naughty Rocky, stay out of this bed. Ugh. And you can see that black lily. You see it? That little pink little bulb right here. It's starting to come up. Woohoo! Exciting. Let's check the other pot to make sure Rocky wasn't over here being naughty as always. Nope. So this one little bulb right here is coming up, so that's good. Alright, let's go spray this Fuyu persimmon tree so we can keep the bugs and stuff. And I'm just using this normal neem oil that says it's for, it says controls black spots, powder mildew, you guys know. And it's good for flowers, ornamental trees, shrubs, fruit, and stuff. So I'm going to spray it down so I don't let none of these bugs be messing with my tree. And then we'll check it and see. See, there's already a bug on it. Get off of that. You are not welcome. Already trying to find a home. See, look at that. Trying to find a home on my Fuyu persimmon tree. And that is not going to happen because my mother, I'm going to tell you why I brought this tree. I brought this tree because my mom always made the best persimmon cookies. And if you guys has never had a persimmon cookie, you guys are missing out because persimmon cookies are, woo, okay. Reminder, never spray neem oil in the direction of the wind. Oh, well, I think I'm going to have to wash my face now because I got neem oil. So I'm going to be shining and glycerin for a little while till I can get inside and get this neem oil off my face. But the sacrifices I make to take care of my persimmon tree. Anyway, let me finish telling you why I brought this Fuyu persimmon tree. Is because my mother makes the best persimmon cookies. Oh my gosh. Those things are like, if you like a soft ginger snap type of cookie, then you will love persimmon cookies because they are amazing. So all I need off of this tree is I need 6 persimmons, just 6, and then I can make a batch of cookies. And when I make those cookies, then I will bring you guys along and I will let you see what a persimmon cookie looks like. But look, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's little buds are starting to come on it. So come on, persimmon tree, I need 6 of you. 6 persimmons. So, tree has been sprayed. It's looking good. Now, I see my clematis over there. Let me show you what the clematis looks like when it's starting to come alive. Remember my crepe myrtle tree where I cut the top off and I showed you that vine that I told you looks like a stick, like this stick? Well, now it's starting to come alive. See all the green on there? That's where you will see the flowers at. See? That's what a clematis bloom looks like. So this bad boy, still brittle, but it's still coming alive. So spring, that lets me know spring is coming because it's all over my arbor here. So I'm so excited because I can see the life. It's gonna be green. Woo, I can't wait to this. And of course, yep, the spiders are out too. So yep, everybody's getting their homes clean, even the spiders. They're making their webs and all that madness. And as you can see over here, my daffodils, look, are starting to come alive. So yes, I see life in my garden and my daylilies are coming in. But what I wanted to show you guys is that where I planted some of those cabbage in my garden on the first level. See, look, I planted a cabbage on the first level where we cleaned up everything. Isn't that beautiful? And I know I have a daylily on this side, and since we had so much dirt, the rest of my flowers, I try to dig around them, but they're just going to have to force their way up so I could see exactly what's happening. And I saw Rocky over here playing with my hellebores, so let me go over here and check out my hellebores and make sure it's okay. But all my tulips and stuff are starting to pop up. Yep. Oh, and I put some more cabbages. I planted them on the line, and this one is right by the hellebores, so it's doing great. All right, let's go on the deck and see how. I saw some flowers pop up. Oh, my hyacinth. Oh man, that's a good little surprise. Let me move this out of the way so you guys can see. Alright, Gigi from Gigi's Homestead. This is my hyacinth, and it is pink. Beautiful, huh? Gorgeous. Loving it. So my hyacinths are starting to come up. Oh, one of my tulips over here have opened. Let's check that out too. Look. It's one of my daffodils. Look, beautiful white. And there's another one over here that came open. So they're starting to open, you guys. I'm getting so excited. So beautiful. And you can see my squash plant on my windowsill. They're doing pretty good. My plant's up there too. And those are my red mustard greens. I've got to get them transplanted into a bigger pot. But they're all starting to open. Amazing. But what is this pansy doing over here? And these hyacinths over here, they haven't opened yet, but they're working on it. Look at this pansy. This is a pansy that was overwintering, and it survived. So yes, I will definitely incorporate that in my spring flower boxes. And they got a white one here with the purple like throat. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. And look at these little violas. You cannot go wrong with the viola. Mr. Gnome is doing his job. You know what, Mr. Gnome? I'm going to have to reward you for all your hard work sitting in this flower box, freezing, but you are doing your job. I have to think of a good little surprise for you. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end this video here. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day.